Hello everyone, today I'm going to present a dashboard I developed using data from the EFL League from the past 22 years. The purpose of this presentation is not to analyze in depth the results, but to show you what this dashboard can be used for. I recommend you to read the project's README where you can see how the dashboard was made and even download it for yourself. As you can see, this dashboard is divided into three main categories: team stats, season performance, and referee stats. If we click on the first button, we can see all sorts of data regarding the team stats. This page has two slicers, one to select the team that you want to see the results for, and the date slicer where you can select the desired time window. You can see the goals and goals conceded over the time and their distribution. You can also see the results, the top 5 team with most goals scored and the top 5 opponents with most goals awarded. Finally, you have a card with all sorts of relevant data that you might find interesting. Here we can click to go back to the main page. I decided to have just one button in order to save space for other graphics. When we click on season stats, we see only one filter that lets you select the desired season. Here you find the more traditional table that you will find in most sports websites. The teams are organized by points with some interesting metrics such as goal difference. The second table, uh, you will find all games organized by recency. If you select one of the teams in the first table, it will automatically select all the results from this team. Additionally, if you put the mouse over one of the teams in the first table, you will see a card with the last 5 games. Finally, on the referee stats page, you can find a slicer for the referee and for the date. You have the number of refereed games, reds and yellow over the time, and the proportion of reds and yellows. You can also see the top 5 teams that received on average more reds and yellow, and also the top 5 team against whom more cards were awarded on average. The decision to choose the average over other metrics is based on the idea that the number of games that a referee officiated for a specific team can influence the number of cards attributed to that team. Finally, we have a list of cards with number of games refereed, number of red cards and number of yellow cards. Thanks for watching. You can download the dashboards in the project's README.